So you're picking up a little bit?
Sorry?
You picking up a bit of business?
Yeah, yesterday I was actually quite busy, to be fair. Yeah. Yeah, no, it's looking good.
I'll show you on our Facebook page.
Yeah.
The shop's Facebook page.
Oh, that's it.
3 or 4 years.
That's funny.
That's quality.
Yeah.
It must have been caught in a time capsule.
Yeah. I don't even. By the time I even heard of Silsa, I already knew that they just wasn't there. That's quite funny.
That was bizarre.
It's not been here for 3-4 years.
No. He's been locked away somewhere in a time capsule.
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong, I know Silsa's a small village, but I'm like, right. Oh, yeah, I bought his coffee, by the way.
Oh yeah, awesome. I was gonna say I forgot to bring some.
Bike's all right, yeah?
Yeah, it's actually really good. The tire's a lot better. It's very different. It feels different though, because obviously the tire's different, but
Probably smoother ride, isn't it?
yeah, oh yeah, especially on the gravels.
So if you go to join that,
Yeah.
there's no other people that do phone stuff on there either, so
awesome.
we'll get you on there as well.
Oh yeah, perfect, man. So
have you always done this, then?
No, I've actually mostly worked in warehouses and factories and stuff.
Yeah.
I lost my last job in August. And I was
Because you was at Chicksands, weren't you?
Yeah. So that was my last job, and mate, they were fucking idiots, man. I caught my technically manager, but he wasn't really the manager because he didn't want the title. I caught him drinking a bunch of times, drinking whiskey in his coffee, and then driving a forklift at the same time. And if I tried to report him, they didn't do nothing about it. And had a massive argument with him one day, and yeah, and they took his side basically, and then fired me on the spot.
Really?
Yeah. And then my missus got a job before I could find another one, so then I got stuck at home with the kids for ages.
Yeah.
And decided, like, fuck it, I want to do something at least when I'm stuck at home. And started buying shit off eBay, fixing it up, and then selling it. And then once I started offering it to customers, Teresa was actually the first customer that I had.
Yeah.
She came in with a broken iPad.
Yeah.
And then I did it. She offered me the space, and yeah, it's been good. Yeah. At first I thought it was a scam. Like, I thought, oh, maybe it's a bit too good to be true. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It came out perfectly. And yeah, technically I've only been doing this for like 3-4 months.
Really?
Yeah, but I've always fixed my own tech at home, like since I was 16 years old.
Yeah.
I've built my own computers, done all my own like fixes and stuff like that. You know what I mean? I've got to take business now.
Sweet.
Yeah, it should be on there pretty good.